All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How's everybody doing? So yeah, getting it going, as Charlie mentioned this morning, we got some couple sell opportunities here, Expedia as well as McDonald's. Be looking out for those signals here shortly. And also, guys, looking at TXN as well. TXN for a sell opportunity, a few zones out here. Of course, everybody's talking about, you guys are talking about it this morning. The Trump's comments. I think he was talking on CNBC. I could hear it in the background. They were mentioning something that he said. So markets down huge.